So I've been back on YouTube for literally 10 minutes and then this happens. So last night, Friday the 19th of June 2020 if you're with the hip kids, I woke up and found one of my videos from the past is trending more than usual with a lot of comments, a lot of tweets as well regarding Will Karaman or Cameron or Karaman, however the you pronounce his name. Now, I've said for a long time that little Willie is a massive scammer. He's been proven, he's been caught out by his own brokers, by his own traders. I've had many emails from previous people who bought a subscription for crazy money, never got a refund, and basically, long story short, he's just a bad guy. Now, unlike the videos on Warrior Trading and Tim Sykes, there's been very few people ever defending Will. In fact, it's the opposite. Now, like every little bit of pond scum or dirty bacteria that just refuses to die, he just kept spamming out, you know, his fake losses, his fake profits, whatever, but he did get caught out a few times. Now, I do want to reiterate here that I do think Will was trading with real money in the end because he was proven that he was using a fake account numerous times. You can check my videos out on Will Karaman if you want to know more on that. My videos back then were a lot worse quality, so be warned. But anyway, coming back to it, I woke up and Will's disappeared. He's gone. No one knows where he's gone. His YouTube's deleted, his Instagram's deleted, his website's still running, so we'll be checking that out. And also his old Twitter account is there. So in this video, we're going to be talking about what happened to little Willie Karaman, the guy with the massive eyebrows. But before we get into that, please do like this video already. Make sure you have subscribed, turned on the bell, and feel free to share it on Twitter. Tag me in and I'll follow you back and we can have a bit of bant. That's what the cool kids call it. Now, before we get into it on the computer, I was meant to have a video coming out Monday. And funnily enough, he featured in it, as he featured in my comeback video when he was the screensaver on my iPad. I haven't forgotten about him. So first thing I want to ask you is, Willie, if you're watching this, I'm pretty sure you are, did you quit because I've come back to YouTube? The timing is coincidental, no? Let me know in the comments. Drop me a DM. Promise you I won't share it. Probably will share it. But let us know where you've gone. I'd love to know. And also, everyone else watching, let me know the funniest place you think Will's gone to in the comments. It's been a while, but hey, quick tea break. So let's get over to the computer and have a look, huh? So as I said, I got a lot of comments and a few tweets and a few direct messages on Twitter saying that his YouTube has been deleted, his Instagram has gone. Lo and behold, if you search Will Karaman on YouTube, he's gone. Willie, where have you gone? Where have you gone, mate? Do you need a hug? Should we start a GoFundMe page? Come on, you can't just disappear like that. Your students need you. But if we do a search for Will Karaman, you can see my video is ranked #1. Again, that video sucks. And there's a few other people who've done videos on him, and if you haven't been following Cardinal Cash, that dude's like video content is hilarious. So do check out this video from DJ Stop Loss. DJ Stop Loss and Cardinal Cash. I don't know if they're superheroes, but they're pretty much the same person. I don't want to start like an Illuminati thing here, but I think they're the same person. Who knows? But anyway, coming back to it, yes, his YouTube has been deleted, so unfortunately we can't go back and recite some of his cool videos. But that said, maybe we can check out someone else. Let's have a look. I mean, this kid's been on TV. If you're on TV, you have to be legit, right?
What's up, guys? Yanni here. I just made my first bigger purchase today on the stock MRNA. It is June 4th, 2020. As you can see, I invested $2,000. Because
okay, what the f was that?
Hello everyone and welcome to How to Be a Success on the Stock Market. We have the YouTube sensation. We are in Karaman joining us.
YouTube sensation.
Success in playing stocks. You're 22 years old. You've been doing it since you were 12. What's your secret?
It's pattern recognition, just understanding how history tends to repeat itself. So like we're looking for specific patterns, and then when we see those patterns.
Wait a second here. Wait a second. He's been trading since he was 12. I don't think that's legal.
And what are you teaching?
I'm teaching people how to trade penny stocks, but you can also use my strategies on mid-cap stocks, large-cap stocks.
It hurts.
In the stock market.
It hurts so much.
So
So that's it on YouTube. Let's look at Twitter. Now, we're going to go over to Guru Leaks 1. If you aren't following that person, then you should be. And I'm saying person because no one knows if it's a man or a woman or whatever's in the middle these days. But yeah, he slams Will regularly. So coming down to a few of the tweets. This one's a good one. Millionaire trading guru Will Karaman is offering $400 for successful lead to a bank that will give him a $20,000 credit line But if he's a millionaire, he shouldn't need that credit line. And no security fraud protection. This is not, man, what is this guy? This guy's clearly broke. Oh my God, is that why he disappeared? Let's have a look at his Profitly. Now, if you don't know what Profitly is, it's a website that's, I believe, owned by Tim Sykes, where you can verify trades and things like that. He's deleted it. He's deleted all his trades. This is brilliant. So if we go over to Will Stock Picks, which is his website, which should be Will's Stock Picks, not Will Stock Picks. That doesn't make sense. We can click on plans, and then we get this. So what's that mean? What about all them people who paid all that money? This doesn't make sense. So over on the testimonials page, these are just tweets. These are not testimonials. I don't think he knows what testimonials is. But let's have a look at some of these people who are tweeting and drop them a message and see if they're still trading. Let's have a look. Tweet 20th of January, that's quite recent. Let's send this to a lot of his testimonials. Oh, I'm blocked from his page, so we have to use a fake account. Yeah, anyway, that's how we know what his tweets were. So that's it. Will, where have you been? Let me know. If you're watching this far, please do hit that like button, but also drop a comment below if you do know any actual details, and put fact in the comment that you think it is a fact that you know what's happening. Some people are saying on Twitter that it's an SEC lawsuit. Some people are saying that it's a lawsuit from his subscribers, education, students, that's the word I'm looking for. But reality is, that's just a tweet. I don't know. If you've got any information, let me know in the comments. And if you want to have a bit of fun, just make something up in the comments, but don't put fact next to it. I'm trying to help people out with this video. And finally, of course, if you're watching this far and you have bought Will's course, drop me an email and please do share the proof of purchase from Will's course. If you do that to me, bearing in mind I know what his subscription looks like, then I'll offer you a 1-year free access to the new EchoFin chat room that we have, just as a courtesy to say, look, we're not all bad people who put videos on YouTube, so I'm just trying to help you out. And if you've got any questions or you want any help with that, let me know in the comments as well. So what have we learned from this? What we have learned is people who post mega profits and then try and show some, you know, oh, I lost 20 grand today, they're all full of shit. Realistically, they're all full of shit. Now, they might be trading with real money, but their mentor programs, I don't think it really helps your success rate. I think you're better off buying a decent course from a legit trader and trying to learn yourself by tracking data. We've got a video on 5 tips coming soon. That was meant to be this week's, but obviously this has took paramount. So again, sorry for the sort of shambles of a video that this is. That said, we are trading live in the chat room. There's a link to that in the description. So feel free to check us out. If you have got any thoughts or anything on that, let me know about Will Karaman in the comments. Even if you've just had a past experience, please do share. Everybody who is watching this far has probably been hurt by Will or looking to buy the course. So any light you can shed in the comments will greatly help them out, I'm sure. So that's it. Now, Will, I know you're watching this, and Will's dad, I know you're watching this as well. And I think Will's dad might be the puppeteer in this whole organization. I think you're both as bad as each other, because Will's dad, you haven't really disciplined your kid because he's a little thief. And if you think that I'm going to take this video down because I've said that, no. I've got several emails from people who've still not got refunds from your course, even though they've screenshotted you give full refunds and you haven't done that. So you are a little scumbag and you'll get what's coming to you eventually. Now, one final thing, I did mention TradeZero and I did mention what happened. Now, as you know, TradeZero is my broker. We work quite closely together and I'm very happy using them. Now, TradeZero reached out to me a while back. I don't even know if I should say this, but they reached out to me a while back and said that they've partnered with Will Karaman as well, and that Will has asked them to ask me to remove my previous videos exposing him. Now, under any other circumstances, I think people would have took that video down because they don't want to ruin their affiliate program with TradeZero. But I didn't. I don't care. My integrity is much more important. So I said to TradeZero, no, this guy is a scam artist. I strongly suggest you don't work with him because of XYZ. And as you've just seen on his website, he's not with TradeZero anymore. So what do you think happened there? I think we all know. So that's it from me. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure you have subscribed, liked, and all the other lovely stuff. And I'll see you in the next one. But before we go, if you've got any video ideas you'd want me to cover, let me know in the comment section and I'll do that soon. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.
I came from the mud. There's dirt on my hands. Strong like a tree. There's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down soon. They sing on a sleepless night. Try to catch me howling at the moon. 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 When it rains, it pours. Water's up to my chin. Won't stop fighting to the very end.